What's good with y'all boys? As y'all can see in my hand, I got a new package for the M550. I don't know if y'all could tell from the package what it is. In my last video, I told y'all I was gonna get a plate cover. I'm gonna give it a little wash. It's a little dirty. It's hot as fuck outside too. Rims is dirty, car is dirty. Let's unbox this plate cover. We're gonna put that right there for now. This is a plate cover. It's carbon fiber. Feel me? It's supposed to go right here on the back. Let me show y'all how it would look with the plate. This shit look tough. Like, this shit tough as fuck. So it look like this. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. This is just the beginning. There's more fiber and carbon left to come. Carbon fiber rear diffuser. Carbon fiber quad tips. Carbon fiber mirror cap. Carbon fiber side skirt. Carbon fiber front lip. I ain't gonna lie, what y'all think about this bumper? Should I get the M5 bumper? Or this is valid? Let me know. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, the fitment on the car is not that bad. It kind of look already low, but I need to go lower, about an inch lower, about an inch lower on the front too, all around. I don't know, but I really need some coilovers. I feel like I'm driving around in a monster truck. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done washing this car, get her cleaned up. Throw this one, catch a little clip of it on the car so y'all can see it. I think I have a function to attend today. Today's what day? Let me tell y'all today. Today's Saturday, the 26th. What time is it right now? It's about 4:02. It's mad late. I gotta get this car washed, take a shower, and head to the function around like 6:30 to 7. All right, we back. We just finished washing the car. Put some tire shine on it. Show y'all how I install it. It's pretty simple. I know there's some people out there that doesn't know how to do shit like this. There's 2 holes right there, 2 holes and 2 holes in the bottom. But we'll be using the top one because this doesn't have any holes in the bottom. So we'll be using the 2 top ones. Let me see something. Yeah, I don't even think this could fit. Hold on, y'all. I don't even think these screws could fit. I think these screws might be a little bit too big. Yep, I knew it. Alright, so I got the regular screws that come with the car. I've been doing this, I've been doing bullshit this whole time. All I was supposed to do was just line this shit up on the fucking hole and start screwing. Simple. I'm over here doing all that extra shit, trying to move around, trying to see behind and everything. Like, that's my extra. Comes with 2 little spacers. For me, when they get those 2 screws in, I have a screwdriver. Screwdriver that shit up in there. Oh shit, I think that shit too tight. I'm bugging. I am OD bugging, y'all. I don't think these caps is gonna fit. Probably because it's too tight. But I want my plate to fall off though, bro. It's the only plate that I have. Alright, my boys, we back at the spot. We at the spot now, I ain't gonna lie. Should I get inside so we can get some parking? This should look active. What a bro, like. Tire discount is throwing up a little function or whatever. As y'all can see, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even have no friends out here, but I'm out here by myself and shit. I think this parking spot might be full, so I think I'm gonna have to go park on that side. This is the first time the M50 is going to a car show or a car meet, whatever the fuck this shit is. I wonder if I could park right here. I would deadass park right here, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, this shit is active. What the fuck, y'all? We outside with it. I ain't gonna lie, we outside. I'm gonna see if I could get this camera to work. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, not the charger. Not the Challenger, I mean, my fault, y'all. I don't even know my cause. I'm about to see if I could get some quality with this shit. I ain't gonna lie, this camera is ass. Oh yeah, we out here. I ain't gonna lie, we out here. It's active. It's active. It's active. This shit tough. Yep. Oh, you got the truck, the slam truck. You got the old cars. Okay. Nah, that shit tough. What the fuck? A 392 Emmy? That shit is tough. Oh God. Got the chargers. Okay, okay.
territory and I love it, bro.
You said what?
We are in Mopar territory right now.
I'm loving it too. Real
My
shit.
friend said we're not in Mopar territory, then look at all these fucking things.
Yeah.
Chrysler. No Jeeps yet though. We need some.
Yeah. I don't see no Jeeps.
Burnouts,
I need to see some Beamers too. That shit ass. That shit ass. It's only one wheel spinning? I think it's only one wheel spinning.
I saw this one spinning.
Huh?
I saw the driver's side spinning.
Yeah, that's the only one. I don't know. It look like it's only one side spinning.
Oh, it's car blew up.
Oh, fuck though. Keep going, gang.
Why you got an SRT?
Bro, you need more power. Oh yeah, you need more power.
You got a Hemi tank in that, bro. Not even a Hemi.
Yeah, that shit was ass. I need one more call.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, you have to jump.
Who you think won? Who you think won? The truck?
I'll race every car in this parking lot.
You would?
Yeah.
What are you driving?
M5.
Really?
Nah, I'm joking. I have an M550.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where'd you park it at?
Across the street, over there. What you guys drive?
What?
What you drive?
SS.
Oh, this right. Oh, okay. Type shit.
Let's go. I give a fuck about my money.
Oh, nah, them shits is tough. The headlights.
That's cool.
That shit fire. Not the Q. He's going.
Bro.
That shit gonna blow up.
Too late, come on. Too late.
Not the Infinity. Nah, let bro go. Come on, let bro go, man.
Don't do that shit. I will hop on your motherfucking hood if you do that shit again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hold on that shit. Hey, Tristan. They think the farm truck took it.
Alright, where's the farm truck? The red truck took it, bro. No way. No, before it did. Man, you tall as hell, bro.
Why everybody keep on seeing the same shit? What the fuck?
I told him he's got a gap cam. he does, bro.
Nah.
I heard about what you 6'5".
Nah, 6'4".
I think.
What you think?
What you mean? Who win?
Yeah.
I mean, I came here late, but I think the truck win too.
Bro, the truck had
The
all
farm
the
truck? Yeah, that's a fact.
45. That's the 5.7. Yeah. I got a 350.
And you said we're not in Mopar right now, dude.
Huh? Your word said we're not. There's way more on the cars than we were.